Hello, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I am a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to introduce how to install new agent on Linux machine. So first of all, I would like to connect to the Linux machine by SSH like this. Then, okay. I created the folder of agent and then I uploaded that RPM package here. So like this, and then I will do the installation. After installation, you will go to the opt folder. So I will go to the root and then opt. You see here like OpenLM agent folder. This is the installation folder of RPM package. Then there's an agent authorization JSON file. We have to replace this file with the JSON file, which is generated by the easy admin of your OpenLM server machine. So I will use the file transferring software from the other computer, like this. And then this is a generated authorization JSON file. So I will go to the OpenLM agent folder, and then I will upload the agent authorization file, JSON file. Please overwrite it. Then it's all done. So after that, you can you can do this command to make sure the agent service is running. Please wait. So agent is running, and just in case, you can restart, start, stop, restart. The same, like okay. So this is a very complicated command, but Linux has a lot of users, so you have to specify user. My username is Fumichiki. And then this is restart, but you can use start and stop. Yeah, agent is running. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye now.